While most mock tests provide an estimate of your GMAT score, only few of them answer questions such as, why did you falter on a question? Was it because of lack of conceptual knowledge or because you did not know how to apply a concept? Where should you spend your time to reach your target quant score? And how do you track your improvement as you study? Our quant workshop was designed to provide such actionable insights. Click on the information icon above to register for the same. After attending this workshop, you will get an accurate assessment of your abilities not only at an overall level but also at a subsectional level. You will know your precise strengths and weaknesses, and you will know the key areas to focus on to get to your target quant score. Finally, you will also have an idea of the metrics that you need to track. So if you aim to score Q50, simply click on the registration icon on the top or in the description below. Happy learning!